Hello, I'm Stephen Ho, trader and founder of TheStopHunter. Now, the cybersecurity industry is a massive growing hot sector for obvious reasons. As the world gets more and more technologically advanced, we need more and more cybersecurity. And there's some great firms out there providing us with that service. I found 23 of them that are whittled down to 8 that I'm going to have a look at in this video. Don't worry, I'm going to provide you with that list of 23 and also a great ETF, exchange trade fund, that you might want to follow. So with that, let's have a look. So before we can carry on, a risk warning for you to pay close attention to. The content in this video is not investment advice, so please seek the advice, help of financial professionals or financial advisors before investing and trading. And trading and investing involves a high degree of risk and your money is at risk, so be very careful. So with that out the way, let's get on with the analysis. Now, first up is that ETF I promised you. It's called Global X Cybersecurity Fund and it's got a great ticker, BUG, B-U-G, very appropriate. And it's a great ETF to follow to give you an idea of how the cybersecurity index is performing, or you could invest in it directly. And also it's very useful for timing your way into trades. You can use the underlying ETF as a barometer for, say, bullish and bearishness strength. So onto the weekly line chart for BUG then. You can see really it's been one-way traffic since 2020. It's quite a new ETF, this one. There's been a few ups and downs, but nothing massively significant. At the moment, it's pulling back from those highs at about $35. But, with the growth in this sector, that can only continue, hopefully to get stronger and better. So now on to my top 8 for 2022, and first up is a company called Tenable Holdings. Now, Tenable provides cyber exposure solutions across the planet. They also own a company called Nessus, and Nessus is the world's biggest vulnerability management platform. There's many other reasons why Tenable could be a good buy for next year. They really do cover off so many threat solutions. The chart's not as strong as some of the other ones that you're going to see, but I think they've got a strong future outlook. Secondly, we have a company called SentinelOne. Now, these are quite a new bunch of guys, and because of that I could only produce a daily chart where all the others are weekly. Last few days hasn't been so great, but they have a good strong future. They're probably the competition to CrowdStrike, and they manage, detect and resolve cyber security threats. They've had great sales in 2020, doubling up, and again are one of those new firms that could be someone to watch in 2022. Now, Zscaler have been one of my favourites for the last few years, and they're another cloud native security vendor, and they try to keep data secure, and sales have been growing really fast, and it is really a pure play cyber security stock. And like I said, I've been on this one for the last few years and it's been very rewarding and could be more rewarding into 2022 hopefully. Fortinet, my fourth choice, have been on a roll, and they are a security software provider, a bit like Palo Alto Networks, and they are one of the largest cybersecurity companies in the world, and they've just been growing and growing, and the chart has been very strong. Next up we have Palo Alto Networks. They specialise in firewalls and the cloud and have been growing very strongly and have been a favourite of investors of late. Then we move on to Mimecast, who are a UK company, that specialise in cloud-based email management. Now, they've had good fundamentals, growth has been strong, and another one to watch out for the following year. Then we move on to Cloudflare. Now, Cloudflare are already a popular stock to trade, and they're an American website security company specialising in delivery and internet security. Like I said, they're very popular, and for good reason. You know, good fundamentals underneath them, and like I said, good strong growth potential. And finally, Rapid7. Now, they offer security solutions, you know, threat detection, application security, vulnerability and risk management, and like all the others, you know, fundamentals growth has been strong and expected to continue. So as promised right at the start, I was going to share with you my list of 23 stocks that I started this whole analysis from, that I whittled down to 8, and you can see there the symbol distribution, you know, the stock distribution. There's two sectors, 91% technology services, 9% electronic technology. Then we can break that down further into industries. 57% are packaged software, 26% information technology services, and jointly internet software services and computer communications with 9% each. And if we scroll down, we can see the symbols, the tickers, the names of those 23. Clearly, I will read them off to you. Won't spend too long on them, and you can investigate further if you want. So we start with Rapid7, then we've got Fortinet, Zscaler, Cloudflare, Okta, Dynatrace, CrowdStrike, Microsoft, Splunk, Datadog, Akamai, Mimecast, Checkpoint Software. Then we have Tenable, Norton LifeLock, Varonis Systems, CyberArk, Cisco Systems, Palo Alto, Qualys, VMware, McAfee and Sentinel-1. So that was my 23 that, like I say, I whittled down to just the 8. So there you go, that's my list of top cybersecurity stocks I think are going to be of interest for 2022. Let me know in those comments below whether you agree, disagree, have I missed some favourites of yours. Like I say, let me know in those comments below. And if you've liked the video today, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell buttons to receive future notification of content I'm going to produce just like this. And all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.